Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to start an adult daycare business in the United States. If you've ever considered a rewarding and profitable venture that helps seniors and their families, then keep watching. With the aging population and the growing demand for senior care services, starting an adult daycare center can be a meaningful and lucrative business. So, let's dive in and explore the essential steps to get your adult daycare up and running. But first, have you ever wondered how you can make a positive impact on the lives of elderly adults while running a successful business? Well, an adult daycare center could be your answer. This guide will walk you through the process, from assessing the market to securing funding and hiring the right staff. So, let's get started. Step 1. Assess the market. The first crucial step in starting an adult daycare business is to assess the market. You'll want to research the demographics in your desired area using resources like the U.S. Census Bureau's American Fact Finder. Reach out to local government agencies, social service departments, and healthcare providers for data on the local population's needs. Conducting community surveys can also give you first-hand information about the demand and preferences for adult daycare services. Joining professional organizations, such as the National Adult Day Services Association, can provide valuable research and networking opportunities. Step 2. Write a business plan. Once you've gathered market data, it's time to write a comprehensive business plan. Your plan should outline the types of services you'll offer, staffing requirements, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Lenders and investors often require a business plan if you're seeking funding. A well-structured plan will not only guide your business but also demonstrate your dedication and professionalism to potential partners. Step 3. Search for a location. The next step is finding the perfect location for your adult daycare center. Look for a facility that's wheelchair accessible and has ample space to accommodate the number of clients you aim to serve. Consider zoning regulations and safety factors when selecting a location. You may need to renovate the space to meet the specific needs of an adult daycare. Factor in these costs when comparing potential locations and ensure the final choice complies with all safety and accessibility requirements. Step 4. Secure funding. Funding is a crucial aspect of starting any business. Consider personal savings, loans from friends or family, bank loans, Small Business Administration (SBA) loan guarantees, and potential investors to finance your adult daycare center. Explore grants, particularly those targeting businesses serving the elderly or disabled. Nonprofit models may open up additional funding opportunities. Ensure you have a solid financial plan in place to manage startup and operational costs effectively. Step 5. Register for business licenses and permits. Before opening your doors, make sure your adult daycare center is properly registered and legal to operate. Each state has different licensing requirements, so consult with your state's Department of Human Services for specific regulations. This may include passing health and safety inspections, meeting staffing ratios, and ensuring staff members pass background checks and training requirements. Don't forget general business registrations like a business license, employer identification number, EIN, and occupancy permit. Step 6. Acquire the property. Once you've secured funding and completed the necessary registrations, it's time to prepare the facility for launch. Renovate the space to ensure it's safe, accessible, and meets the needs of your clients. Install safety features like emergency exits, non-slip flooring, and fire safety systems. Furnish the facility with comfortable furniture and any necessary equipment for your services. Step 7. Get your marketing plan in place. Now that your adult daycare center is ready, it's time to get the word out. Develop a strong online presence with a professional website and use social media platforms to engage with potential clients and their families. Utilize traditional marketing strategies like print advertisements and host community events to introduce your services. Partner with local hospitals, clinics, and community organizations to increase referrals and build credibility. Step 8. Hire and train employees. Your staff is the backbone of your adult day care center. Hiring individuals with caregiving experience and medical knowledge is essential. Look for candidates with management skills to effectively oversee your center. Interpersonal skills are a must, as they create a nurturing and welcoming environment for your clients. Provide thorough training to your team to ensure they're well prepared to deliver top-notch care. Step 9. Prepare to launch. With everything in place, you're almost ready to open your adult day care center. Remember to obtain the necessary insurance coverage, maintain proper bookkeeping, and set up a dedicated business bank account. Keep track of your operational expenses to ensure your business remains financially sound. Network with other businesses and organizations to expand your reach within the community. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to start an adult day care business in the United States. By offering a safe and nurturing environment for seniors, you're not only providing much-needed relief to families but also making a positive impact on the lives of your clients. Remember, this journey may have its challenges, but with dedication and a passion for caregiving, your adult day care business can thrive. So, go ahead and take that first step toward building a fulfilling and profitable venture in the world of senior care. A limited liability company, LLC, is a business structure in the U.S. that protects its owners from personal responsibility for their debts or liabilities. Taylor Brands is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through Taylor Brands. So to start us off, what exactly is Taylor Brands? Taylor Brands is the world's pioneer AI-driven all-in-one solution for businesses that want to form their LLC, but that is not all there is to it. Taylor Brands is really a one-stop shop because it also provides you with literally everything you need to kickstart your business in literal minutes, including a logo maker, website builder, domain registrars, business mailbox, digital business cards, website designers, branded merchandise, registered agent, EIN, operating agreement, and or even annual report filing. They have literally everything you need to kickstart a business. And what types of businesses does Taylor Brands serve? Well, Taylor Brands will help you quickly form an LLC for your business, whether it deals in physical goods, services, hospitality, original content, technology and software, or literally anything else. Whatever business you have, you can get it set up on Taylor Brands. So, what's the process for applying for an LLC with Taylor Brands? Well, you can apply for an LLC in just 3 simple steps, and let me just tell you about them. Step 1. Specify your state. So on the Taylor Brands official website, you'll see a Choose Your State field. Click on the drop-down menu and choose your state. After that, click on Get Started. As simple as that. Step 2. Respond to some simple questions. Next, you will come across a series of questions that you have to respond to. These questions simply help the platform understand what your business is all about, seeing as you respond with things like the name of your business, what things you will offer, whether you will have employees, what stage is your business at, and so on. You'll also have to provide your personal information, for example, your name and email address. And of course, this information will not be shared with anyone else. It's just used for forming your LLC. Step 3. Just simply submit your LLC. Once you've provided all the necessary information, Taylor Brands will then submit your LLC application, and yes, that is it. It literally takes less than 5 minutes of your time and you'll have an LLC submitted. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well, and start your entrepreneurial journey. If you have any questions, please drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and that's all for today.